So guys, this is what I'm looking at today. Let's recap what happened yesterday. So when I was doing my analysis, gold was somewhere here, I think, yeah, yesterday. So I told you guys that if go take out this side and come back, we should look for a buy here, and stock should be somewhere here, which didn't happen. And I also told you guys that I saw a resistance here yesterday, and there is RSS here, I told you guys, and there is E plus E setup here. I also told you guys that enough setup for a sell here. But the reason why I didn't say this thing direct immediately is I just want to see another sell confirmation, because you can see that we are in a bullish move here. So I think that sorry guys. So I thought that gold might take out this side despite all the bearish confirmation I'm seeing here, all the sell confirmation I'm seeing there. So I told you guys that if gold take out this low, we should look for a sell, which gold did but never retest and keep dropping. So I didn't take this sell from here yesterday. And before then, I also told you guys that if we see something like this, we should also take a sell from here, which didn't happen. So I missed this sell, and it really played out because there is several confirmation for sell here, and I didn't take any of it. So I don't know if any of you that watched my analysis took this trade. If you did, just comment it on the just comment. So this is a missed trade, but it is what it is. So let's analyze what is happening today and see how we can take a trade today. So now it seems like gold is ranging. That's what I can say, because it took out, this is a double bottom, it broke, come back, but somehow it's not doing anything, and this candle might end up taking out this low. So I'm kind of seeing this as something that is ranging. Yeah, I'm seeing it as something that is ranging. So for me to take a sell or a buy here, I would like to see gold take out this low or take out this high. If I would think of taking a sell or a buy, I believe that whatever you are doing here now might be ranging, because some people that took buy here because gold take out this neckline, now they will be negative, they will be in minus, but people that sold here will be in profit. So it's just that I would like to see gold take out this high or this low before I will start taking a trade. So if gold take out this low, then come back, definitely it might come back to this zone. I will sell here. I will sell here, and my stop will be here. Or my first entry might be here. I might start from here entering the sell. I might start from this zone entering the sell, but I know that it might get to here before dropping. But my first entry might start from here for that sell. And for the buy, if we go take out this side, then I will just take a buy straight up from here, and my stop will be here. So this is what I'm looking at to do with this gold today. So I'm not ready to take any trade inside this one, no. Because it might break here, yes, come back to it and continue, 100% possible. But remember that there is this zone here. This is the first touch, second touch. I'll call this one third touch. So this third touch might move up. So I would like to see it take out this low before I'll think of looking for a sell. So this is what I'm looking at here, because this level you are seeing here is also a resistance. That's why this market is ranging. And this gold that started buying here, look at the major, or like say the strong resistance is here. This is the strong resistance. I have not gotten to here. So I believe that this might get to here before we see that move in upside. If it's going to move, say gold is going to buy, I think it will get to here before we see that major move upside. So what I'm seeing here now is that they might use this low as a liquidity, because now that people that bought gold, all these buyers, all their stop loss will be here, will be all these lows. So this might be a liquidity. Then they'll run it into this before gold will start buying. So maybe that's what I'm seeing they are doing here. And if it's not, then if it's good, you're going to start buying from here. There's also liquidity here for them to grab. So I think that's what they're trying to build, the liquidity here before this gold will move to where they want to move it to. Because some people are selling here and their stop losses will be all these areas. So they might run it in to take them out, then drop it back, then before the gold will move up. So all this is what I'm looking at right now. So I'm not going to take a trade until I see one of what I just mentioned to you guys now, guys. So this is 4 hours time frame. If you look at this 4 hours time frame, you can see that gold just did a change of character here, and this buy, you just respect this change of character it did here, just broke and come back to the and respect it, which we know that as it did change of character come back to respect is to drop. So I think this gold might still drop down and take out this low and come back to here, take out all these levels. I think it will get to this level before we might see that move up, if it's going to happen. So buying gold there now is somehow risky, because already there is a resistance here pulling it down. So you cannot just jump in buy in front of a resistance. So I guess if we can see a sell, as I said, if we go take out this low, if you can see a sell from here, at least you can see a sell from here, at least before it will get to here, it will hit over even more than 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Even if we see a sell from here, it depends on where our stop loss is. I believe that before you even get to here, we see 1 to 1 or 1 to 2. At least it's okay, because there is no major as in resistance close to our entry or that can pull it back. At least before this one we start pulling it back, we'll be in profit. So that's what I'm thinking, guys. And on this daily time frame, I'm also expecting gold to is almost getting to there, because there is bearish engulfing on this daily time frame. So I believe that it might go back to test it, then drop. But it's getting close to it. Or again, on these 4 hours, I'm also thinking that if gold is buying, it might get to here before we can see another major drop, because there is bearish engulfing here and there is bearish engulfing on that daily time frame. So there is E plus E setup on these 2 higher time frames. So there's a possibility gold will drop from here whenever you get to this level. So I think that is it, guys, for today's analysis. Let's see how this analysis will play out today. Today is Friday, the last day. So let's see what we can get. This week I only entered two trades and I won the two trade, which is here. This is the first trade I took on Monday, and on Tuesday this is the second trade, and on Wednesday, which this candle kind of confused me. It broke here, but with a little body, so I didn't take the trade. Just waiting for another break and retest, which I wish this candle kind of break it a little bit. I would have taken another buy here, and it would have been another win for me for the week. But unfortunately, I only took two trades this week, and I won the two. And yesterday, I was supposed to sell gold here, but I didn't. Just waiting for another confirmation. I didn't see another sell confirmation and dump. So I only took two trades this week, and I won the two. The one I took here, yeah, but I closed out before this gold move against me because of this confirmation here. So I didn't lose this trade. I closed before it moved, so before it moved against me. So I won two trade this week. So I pray that we see set up today for me to complete three trade I won this week, and we look forward to trade next week. So that is it, guys. Stay safe and God bless.